Hello, this is Tour 601 Max. Today I will show you how to use this device to use IMMO function. Now first we need to connect the diagnostic light, and this end we need to connect the car OBD. Okay, like this. And this end we connect to the Tour 601 Max. And now we collect the maintenance and collect the IMMO into the function. Here you can see the version information, the software version information. And now we click OK. We just need a moment, and here you can read this information and just about software. And now we just need to click OK. And here you can see many brands of cars, and here we select BMW. And here you can see the information, and we need to switch on ignition of the car. And this one, and actually it is switch on now. You can see. And here we click OK. Here you can see the information, and now we click yes into the function. Here the first function, you can change the key button of the car, and now we collect it. And here we choose the model, and it is BMW 50, and choose next, go on. And here we choose the years. You can see the information, and you also can operate according to the promote information. And now we click OK. Okay, let's turn back to the next function. The second function, disable and enable, and here we click into the function. And you can use automatic scan to scan the information of the car. Now we click, and now you can see the information of the car like this. And now we click OK. Here you can see there are 6 functions now, and let's one by one to introduce each function. And this function, current remote control number, and you can read the number of the key. We click it, and now you can see the information, and also you can operate according to the promote information. And now, and you should put the key into the car. Here we just need to close to the ignition and click OK. Now we click OK. And here you can see the information. click OK. And then we go to selection, and the second function and remote control status, and this function you can see the key status. Now we click. Here you can see the remote control 1 is enabled, and the other remote control, the key position not occupied. You can see the status. Now we click OK after we see this information. And the 3 function replace disable remote control, and you can disable the remote control. Actually, is the number of the key, and you can matching many key, and in this function you can disable and some of them. You click it. Now you can see the information, and we according to the information to operate and click OK. Now you need to put the key close to the ignition. Click OK. And now input the key number you want to disable, and now we input number 2, and click OK. Here you can see this information, and now we click OK, and we go ahead after we reading the information. Click OK. Yes, you can see we disable number 2 key. Now we click no, because we don't need to continue. If we click yes, we need to continue to disable other keys. And now we click no. And this function enable remote control. Here in this function you can enable the key you just disable. Now we click. Here we enter the key number you just disable, number 2, and now we click OK. Here you can see the information, and we go ahead, click OK. OK. Now you can see this information. The number 2 is enabled, and now we also click no because we know we don't need to continue to enable the keys, and we click no. And so this is how to use IMMO function on Tour 601 Max. Thank you.